Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MBVX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the price has been making a very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was not that long ago, and then you look at where it closed right here, I think that any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a very nice move. But that does also lead to the very valid and logical question, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point is down here at, what is that? Oh, it makes it easy, $1. So why is $1 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say a pullback, I'm not saying this will happen, let's just say a pretty drastic pullback happens, comes all the way down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. So even after a drastic pullback such as that, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this previous set of bases down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress as $1. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? As things stand right now, the key area of resistance going to be right up here at $1.15. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see $1.15 has knocked down the price there, knocked it down right there, and then fast forward to today, and that's once again where the price is struggling. So by no means am I saying it's impossible to break through $1.15. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is indeed struggling, today up around that area. So that is where, the sellers are currently hanging out, and that'll be public enemy number one for the remainder of the week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move on the bulls' part. So things are definitely, transitioning to the question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.